The Samsara Driver App is designed to keep you safe on the road. You can quickly access workflows and tools that help you develop safer driving habits. On the homepage, the coaching module displays your safety score, your leaderboard ranking, insights into your driving behavior, and celebrates your progress. When you tap this module, you go to your profile. Your profile displays the safety score, recent activities, accomplishments, milestones, and active streaks. At the top of your page, you'll find any safety behaviors that need your attention. Tap the banner to see a list of safety events. Tap an event to review it. You'll get a safety tip, see where the event happened, and then you review the event and next task. Next tasks could include coach feedback, coaching with a manager, or a training. You can request an event review by tapping the comment icon and providing a reason. Maybe it wasn't you, the event isn't accurate, you were avoiding a hazard, or you want to talk to your manager about it. Make your selection and submit. You'll get a notification when your manager reviews the event. You now know how to view your safety information and review safety events in the Driver app.